is gonna be so freaking stupid, I just know it.
It is gonna be stupid.
Well,
Hey, at least it's not gonna be Tartarus computer core levels of stupid, where you just
Oh yeah, that's true.
What the f- Insert that one clip from the last episode.
So hold up.
You are not allowed to emergency coolant on ice. What the fuck?
What the fuck? Loki, I kind of want to edit, I want to edit the original Buster Bust as like a official supercut or something that just makes it not an hour long.
I would
But still keeps important funny details in.
Yeah.
Tartarus computer core gaming.
Tartarus
What the fuck
computer core.
gaming?
Tartarus computer core is literally the clip of the year. Just clip. Peak clip.
Okay, what
Oh my god.
I wish Roblox didn't do that thing a while ago where you had, whenever you like published like a character or something, God, I'm just gonna call them packages. Whenever you published a package, they had to have something called, I forget what it was called specifically, but it was something along the lines of like profanity cover or something.
Swear words.
It's like, it's basically supposed to cover what would be the private parts of an avatar, despite the fact that, like, primarily for like packages that are like based on skin color or something. I don't know, but basically, like, I hate it because it just usually covers or darkens classic clothing.
Yeah.
So, plus, like, this knife, what the hell was the point in having the line thingy? There's classic clothing that already does the job. Anywho,
what Ellie sent in chat.
Let's start legalizing some nuclear weapons, I guess.
Yep.
hold up. I'm still not ready.
Holy crap! Crap!
I'm gonna be R15. I get to clip through more walls when I'm in R15 because the clip method I use is a...
Wait, let me check my avatar's like
Number one,
R15.
So I have like the...
Hello, Dynatech Builder's Computer Core. It's new update and new for CEO.